What if I told you that right now, in a secret facility in Japan, robots are learning to think like humans, and the company teaching them is Toyota? But here's the real question. Are these machines being trained to replace us or to save us? Stay until the end, because what you're about to see will change everything you thought you knew about the future of work. Welcome to the most advanced robotics training facility on Earth. Today, we're going deep inside Toyota's Humanoid Robot Training Academy, where artificial intelligence meets industrial precision. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how these machines are reshaping our world. And if you're fascinated by the future technology like I am, hit that subscribe button right now, because we're exploring the factories and innovations that are building tomorrow today. Toyota isn't just building cars anymore. They're building the workforce of the future. In 2024, they unveiled something that shocked the entire tech world. A fully operational academy where humanoid robots learn, adapt, and evolve. Nestled in the heart of Japan's innovation corridor, this facility spans over 200,000 square feet. But what happens inside these walls is what matters. This is where silicon meets soul. As we enter through the main gates, the first thing you notice isn't the robots. It's the silence. No screaming machinery, no chaos. Just a soft hum of artificial intelligence processing millions of calculations every second. And then you see them, dozens of humanoid robots, standing perfectly still, their LED eyes scanning the environment. They're not just machines, they're students. But what exactly are they learning? Is it just simple tasks or something far more complex? Keep watching, because the answer will surprise you. Toyota calls this the neural development zone. It's part factory, part classroom, and part laboratory. Here, robots don't just follow commands. They learn from experience, just like you and I did when we were young. Each robot in this facility is equipped with something revolutionary, a dynamic learning core. This isn't your typical factory programming. This is artificial intelligence that can observe, analyze, and improve itself. Imagine a machine that watches a human perform a task once, and then does it better the second time. Sound impossible? That's exactly what's happening right now in Training Hall Alpha. Training Hall Alpha is where new robots take their first steps. Literally, these humanoid machines are learning basic motor functions, walking, balance, hand-eye coordination, the same things a toddler learns, but at 10 times the speed. Sensors embedded in the floor track every movement. Cameras mounted on the ceiling capture every angle. And the AI brain, it's processing all of this data in real time, making micro adjustments with every single step. But here's what's fascinating. When one robot learns something, do the others learn it too? Or does each one have to start from scratch? The answer will blow your mind. Through Toyota's cloud neural network, every robot in the academy is connected. When one learns to perfectly grip a fragile component, that knowledge is instantly shared across the entire network. It's collective evolution in real time. As we move deeper into the facility, we enter Training Hall Beta. This is where things get serious. The robots here aren't learning to walk anymore. They're learning to build. In this section, humanoid robots are trained on actual automotive assembly tasks, installing door panels, connecting electrical harnesses, precision welding, tasks that require both strength and delicate precision. At the heart of every robot is what Toyota calls a cognitive processing unit. It's not just following instructions. It's understanding context, predicting problems, and making decisions. This is artificial intelligence at the industrial level. But can a machine really understand quality? Can it see the difference between perfect and almost perfect? Let's find out. Each robot is equipped with Vision AI, a camera system that can detect imperfections smaller than human hair. It sees in multiple spectrums: visible light, infrared, ultraviolet. Nothing escapes its digital eyes. When a defect is detected, the robot doesn't just flag it. It analyzes the cause, adjusts its technique, and prevents the same mistake from happening again. It's learning from failure, just like we do. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the future of automation, do me a favor. Drop a comment below telling me what industry you think will be transformed by robots next. I read every single comment. Let's talk about touch. These robots have haptic sensors in their fingertips that are more sensitive than human skin. They can feel pressure, temperature, texture. They know exactly how hard to grip without causing damage. Watch what happens when a robot encounters a new material it's never worked with before. It doesn't freeze. It experiments. It adjusts pressure, changes angles, tests different approaches until it finds the optimal method. But here's the million-dollar question. How long does it take for a robot to master a complex task that would take a human months to learn? The answer is shocking. In controlled tests, Toyota's humanoid robots have mastered assembly tasks in just 72 hours that would take a human worker 3 months of training. But here's the thing. Speed isn't the goal. Perfection is. Now we enter Training Hall Gamma, and this is where it gets truly mind-blowing. This section is dedicated to problem-solving and adaptation. These robots are learning to handle the unexpected. Engineers deliberately create problems. A misaligned part, a blocked pathway, a tool that's out of reach. The robot must figure out solutions independently, and they do, using logic patterns that sometimes surprise even their creators. What you're about to see next is something Toyota rarely shows the public. It's a comparison room where humans and robots work side by side, and the results, they might not be what you expect. In a collaborative testing zone, human workers and robots perform identical tasks simultaneously, not as a competition, but as a partnership study. And here's what Toyota discovered. Together, they're unstoppable. Humans bring creativity, intuition, and adaptability to complex situations. Robots bring consistency, endurance, and precision. When they work together, productivity increases by 40%, and error rates drop to nearly zero. Toyota's philosophy is clear. Robots aren't here to replace humans. They're here to handle the dangerous, repetitive, and physically demanding tasks so humans can focus on innovation, supervision, and quality control. Every robot in this academy is programmed with what's called a human safety protocol. If a human enters their workspace, they immediately slow down. If contact is imminent, they stop completely. Safety is hardwired into their core programming. But what happens when these robots leave the academy? Where do they go? And what impact are they having on the real world? Stay with me, because this is where it gets really interesting. After completing their training, robots are deployed to actual Toyota factories around the world. In Kentucky, Texas, and Indiana, these humanoid workers are already on production line, building the vehicles you might drive tomorrow. At Toyota's Georgetown, Kentucky plant, humanoid robots have reduced production time by 25% while improving build quality. They work 3 shifts without fatigue, never call in sick, and continuously improve their performance. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, jobs. Yes, automation changes the workforce. But Toyota's data shows something surprising. In factories with humanoid robots, overall employment has actually increased. The jobs haven't disappeared. They've transformed. Workers have moved from repetitive assembly to robot supervision, quality analysis, and technical maintenance. Higher skill positions with better pay. If this is changing how you think about automation and the future of work, make sure you're subscribed. We'll go even deeper into these topics every single week, exploring the technologies that are reshaping our world. Back at the Academy, the latest generation of robots is already in training. These aren't just following improved programming. They're using generative AI to create their own optimization strategies. These advanced models can analyze their own performance, identify inefficiencies, and literally reprogram themselves to work better. It's machine evolution happening in real time. Toyota's vision extends beyond automotive. These same robots, with slight modifications, could work in construction, disaster response, healthcare, and even space exploration. The training they receive here is universal. But here's what everyone wants to know when we see humanoid robots in our everyday lives. In our homes, our offices, our communities, the timeline might surprise you. According to Toyota's roadmap, consumer-level humanoid robots could be available within the next 5 to 7 years. Not as workers, but as assistants, caregivers, and companions. The technology being perfected here is the foundation. Toyota isn't just focused on capability. They're deeply invested in ethics. Every robot is designed with transparency, accountability, and human oversight as core principles. The goal is augmentation, not replacement. What we're witnessing here isn't just about robots or factories. It's about humanity taking the next step in our technological evolution. It's about building a future where machines handle the mundane so humans can reach for the extraordinary. These robots learning to think, to adapt, to improve, they're not a threat to human potential. They're an expansion of it. They're the tools that will help us solve problems we haven't even imagined yet. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Does this future excite you or concern you? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this valuable, hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Inside Toyota's Humanoid Robot Training Academy, the future isn't being predicted. It's being built, one intelligent machine at a time. And the most incredible part, this is just the beginning. Subscribe to join me as we continue exploring the factories, the technologies, and the innovations that are creating tomorrow. The future is being assembled right now. Let's watch it unfold together.